Good evening, everyone. A warmly welcome to Tobys Professional Annual Day Meeting 2026. I'm Azmat and truly honored to host this beautiful evening. Solo hosting me, no pressure and fully responsibility. Our company started 12 years ago, step by step, day by day. Tobys Professional has grown with successful trust and teamwork. Slowly growth, but a strong growth. Today, our team is bigger, strong, and more united than ever. Behind every successful company, there is the strong leadership, strong support system. Our CEO started his journey with the support of his caring, supportive, and wonderful wife, Ms. Shani. When you have a partner who trusts you, push you to forward, and stand beside you, no one can stop you. Let being this beautiful annual meeting start.